Hi there guys and welcome back to Tom Voyage. So today I've got quite a quick video. We're going to do a real-time cook using gas on the Ooni Karu 16. So I've got a margherita pizza here, nice and simple. We're going to get it on and see how long this takes to cook. Let's go. So one thing I love about the Karu 16 is the amount of room you've got on there. I don't always use it to cook 16-inch pizzas like today, but it's yeah, it's lovely to have that room. Another advantage of using the gas is you can turn it down slightly, which I'm going to do because I want the base to be nice and crispy, and sometimes the top cooks too quickly. So yeah, it's nice having that feature to be able to turn it down. We'll use our turning peel, move it around in the oven there. Getting some nice leopard in. If you wanted to see my full review on the Karu 16, I'll leave the link above here. I do a full review both on the gas and on wood-fired cooking. Just turn it down slightly again because it's getting quite toasty in there. Oh yeah, there we go. Some nice charring on the side there of the pizza, on the crust. So a couple more seconds and we should be about done in around 90 seconds. A Neapolitan style pizza. And there we have it. You saw how quickly that cooked. So we've got a nice crust on there. You can hear that's got a nice crunch to it. The cheese is melted. The base looks great as well from all that heat that was kept in the pizza stone. Looks lovely. Can't wait to enjoy this one. Thanks very much for watching the video. If you liked the video, please remember to like and subscribe. If you've got any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section below. And if you wanted to buy one of these pizza ovens for yourself, I'll also leave links below so you can find more information on the Karu 16. Thanks very much for watching and we'll see you next time for more pizza making videos. Yum yum.